Peace has returned to Blackheath. The herds of Homo sapiens, marathonensis, have departed.
The bulbous buttercups can sigh in relief. Now the crows can graze tranquilly, as well as the stock doves. God, you've got to love a stock dove. Look at them. Beautiful. Gins, or maybe not. The solitary bees can get back to their nests. And the jackdaws of the Serengeti plain of southeast London, starlings,
Are content.
Peace has come to the Serengeti of southeast London as Marathon Day draws to an end. Happy Marathon Day. Well, actually, happy Flax Day. And if you want to know why it's Flax Day, check the link below.